today I'm back for left, right, center, and I have 12 ones, and I have 3 tinies under the cards. Pass. Right. 2 for center. Left. Left and right. Center and right. Left. Right. And I have 2 left. So, oops. And 2 for left. Okay. So first is left, and this one is from Angela Marie 888, and I just need 3. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, and in hers I saved 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm gonna grab this one. So 5. Okay. So this one is Jessie Budgets, and I have 2 going in. So 1, 2, and then center is Angela Marie 888. It's one of her autumn tinies. Oops. And I have 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. And then last up is right from Michelle Plans Daily, and I need 4, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one's done. 1, 2, 3, 4. So with hers, I saved 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And hers is done. And then I'm gonna add in for next time Sadie J, Money Boss in the Making. And I have my container I got from Midge at Sunshine and Chaos Budgeting, and for each completed challenge I'm adding in $1, and eventually I'll trade them out and put, for when I get 5s, I'll trade them out. So she made me, she made the label, and this was just an old container we had, and she made me a tracker to use for the container, and so far I have 2 gumballs colored, and she colored the Gumball machine for me. And so that's what I would be using to track it. And that's all I have for today. I'll see you in the next video. Hope you enjoyed watching.